Is it them blings that make them watch us? The awkward lean in them cars that's topless. I got them things, I cut and chop it. I sell at ostrich, I'm so obnoxious. Getting money, say. Hands got the bubble touch. Bike with the double clutch. 2 diamond jump ropes, my neck do the double dutch. I'm saying enough's enough. Turn it, fire burn it. Gram weight straight like a nigga just permed it. Pyrex and water player, how I earns it. Lame rap niggas I'm so not concerned with. On another level, my 3rd bezel, my 4th gas pedal. 55 on the back of my daredevil. The course is paved, the watch is paved. You niggas gotta love me, I'm something the Lord made.
I got to do it. VVS my jewelry, don't need no jewelry to learn and get to. I stay gaudy, pockets bulky, how can y'all help me? Those ride and drive, what that mean? You small willing nigga, fuck that bean. Us that team, touch that cream. Digital scale, what's that scheme? It's all real, don't touch that thing.
I'm so obnoxious, getting money, say. You're getting money, say.